In the realm of culinary mysteries, one question that has intrigued home chefs for generations is whether there's any difference between the shiny and dull sides of aluminum foil when it comes to cooking. We're here to unveil the scientific truth behind this enigma, and the answer might surprise you. Let's dive into the fascinating world of aluminum foil and the remarkable physics that make an indispensable tool in the kitchen. Before we explore those deep details, it's really essential to clear the air. Both sides of aluminum foil are equally proficient at reflecting heat. Whether you choose the shiny side or the dull side, your culinary masterpiece will emerge from the oven with the same degree of perfection. This old shiny versus dull dichotomy is merely a consequence of the foil's manufacturing process. To comprehend why aluminum foil is an excellent heat reflector, we need to delve into the underlying physics. Aluminum foil is crafted from aluminum metal, a material renowned for its exceptional heat conductivity. When you place your dish inside the oven, both sides of the foil efficiently reflect heat waves due to the aluminum's natural properties. The reflection of the heat is not influenced by the foil's surface appearance. Rather, it's a direct result of the metal's molecular structure. Aluminum atoms are densely packed, and they readily bounce off incoming heat energy. This then creates an insulating barrier around your food. This thermal insulation is maintained whether you opt for the shiny or the dull side. Now, the mystery behind the two sides of aluminum foil is, in fact, an outcome of the manufacturing process. During production, aluminum sheets are passed through rollers that press and flatten the metal. This process imparts a shiny finish to one side and a dull finish to the other. The purpose of these distinctive surfaces varies from manufacturer to manufacturer, but their impact on heat reflection remains negligible. So, in light of these revelations, can you now select the side of the aluminum foil that pleases your aesthetic preferences without concern for any impact on your cooking results? I think you can. Would you like your baked dish to have a polished, shiny exterior? If so, use the shiny side. If you want a more subdued look, that's what the dull side's for. The choice is really entirely yours. It doesn't matter. Your food will remain unaffected. So in conclusion, the shiny versus dull debate surrounding aluminum foil is not a matter of culinary consequence. The fascinating science behind aluminum foil's heat reflection capabilities reveals that it's a kitchen staple designed for both functionality and aesthetics. So the next time you wrap your leftovers or prepare a mouth-watering roast, rest assured that your choice of aluminum foil side is really all about your personal style. These are Interesting Things with JC.